Here is a video on how to achieve this effect in Silhouette Studio Business Edition. Now this is intended to complement the video made by Michael Horton on how to do this in Inkscape, but since I don't use Inkscape, I want to show you how to do this in Silhouette Studio. So first thing is we're going to type our text. And we want something nice and bold, so there we go. And let's go ahead and make that into a compound path. And here's a font that I like for scripty stuff called Pink Vibes. And the brackets turn into those ornaments you see there at the beginning and the end. Alright, so since I have letters that are overlapping, you want to weld those and then make it into a compound path. And from here, we're going to go ahead and place an offset around the outside of it. And maybe 1.5 looks good. Then you want to, and I'm selecting both the offset and the original letters, and we'll place it over the original. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click in the inside text, then Control X to cut it so that I'm just left with the outer stroke. Select both the outer stroke and the original text, and then subtract. And then you see with that cut out that original thing here, but now you notice all these are individual pieces. So I want to, while they're selected, go ahead and click Make Compound Path, and that'll join those back up as a compound path. Paste the original back in, and basically there you have it. And we'll just add some color. And I'll turn off the stroke just for fun. And there you have it.